here because I came to take you to the courthouse to probate your mother's will.
There's still some issues between, I guess, how my father feels and how I feel.
Tell me a little bit about that.
I guess he feels like, I want to say blindsided, but it's not done the right way. So I think that's just hard for him to understand, like, why did she put everything in my hands? So I think that's the biggest thing that he has. It kind of hurts me. I feel like she was in her right mind. I mean, do you feel as though she was okay at that time?
I visited your mother before she began to decline. And a lot of people don't know this, but your mother gave me permission to record her. And I did.
We recorded the whole conversation?
Every time. Maybe she believed that somebody was going to, in some way, challenge it. She knew exactly what she was doing about who she wanted to be her executor and who she wanted to control her image, brand, and likeness. And that was one person.
Me.
It was you.
Yeah.
And your mother was absolutely lucid. Your mom stood in her kitchen and cooked me oxtails.
The famous oxtails.
Famous oxtails. And the curry chicken. And Tavius visited Traci on several occasions when she was, in fact, in her right mind. How do I know? I was there.
And the only caveat in there was she wanted to make sure that you were ready.
There were certain things that Traci wanted to keep between Traci and her attorney. But Traci was absolutely in her right mind.
She trusts me so much with her legacy that she'll put it in my hands. It's just stuff she told me when I was younger.
Really? Like, so this was no surprise to you?
It wasn't a surprise to me. See, like, if something ever happened to me, I'm putting everything in your name. Only thing that kind of changed for me is when she said she didn't want a funeral service or viewing.
She did not want a service. She didn't want her sorority, any other organization to do a memorial. Not because she didn't love them, but she said, I don't want people to have to grieve that hard looking down on me. The people I love, I want them to be able to go celebrate. Because you know your mom was down for a party.
My father, me being married, I can understand where it's kind of a difficulty, but I got born into this family. You got married into this family.
I mean, you have the lineage, you have the bloodline.
Yeah.
And you have grown incredibly since that time I've seen.
Right? I didn't even expect
Not ours, just the mental.
She knew you had it in you. She's smiling right now.
She is smiling.
Attorney Weems has really armed Kevin with a lot of knowledge, clarity, and information to get some understanding about why Traci did things the way she did for little Kevin. Anytime you can hear something from someone who can remove themselves from a situation is always a good thing.